Hello, this is Sam and welcome back to the Shreve Crump & Low channel. Today we will be taking a closer look at the black ceramic Hublot Big Bang. In this video we are taking a look at a polarizing brand, Hublot. If you love classic timeless styling that reminds you of the Gatsby era, you will be thoroughly disappointed. If you want something that doesn't remind you of your grandfather, this might just be the watch for you. As many watch fans already know, Hublot was reinvigorated with the help of an industry dynamo, Jean-Claude Biver. Once the head of Swatch Group's Omega division, Jean-Claude had a vision for the future of luxury watches. Now before we start, remember to smash that like, comment, and subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. What was this man's vision? How could it be different or even better than the titans that stood before him? Well, those stainless steel bracelets, throw them away. What we ended up getting in 2005 was a departure from anything we had ever seen from a luxury brand. Instead of catering to the peanut gallery, they created a new kind of luxury, the Big Bang in a precious metal on a rubber strap. This one simple choice showcases Hublot's mission to incorporate new materials, sizes, and shapes into the world of luxury. Fast forward 16 years and we have a new generation of Big Bang. This one crafted out of scratch-resistant ceramic. Now we know what you're saying, there's nothing new about a ceramic watch. What's the big deal? Well, the difference is simple. The finishing and the fact that this Big Bang comes with a full ceramic bracelet. Creating a bezel insert or case accents out of ceramic is hard enough. Now try to manufacture each tiny individual link and then finish them to the same standard as brushed and polished steel. This black-on-black colorway gives the watch a supremely imposing look on the wrist while remaining incredibly light. On first look, you may miss the smaller details that Hublot has managed to sneak into this watch. Starting with the logo that is applied to the sapphire dial that gives it the appearance of floating, and of course the skeletonized dial itself, revealing the movement architecture below. The Big Bang contains the Hublot manufacturer caliber Unico 2. This robust chronograph movement combines 354 components to provide 72 hours of power reserve as well as a flyback function to the chronograph. This movement is easily serviceable as well as durable enough to accompany you on any adventure. The ceramic case and bracelet ensure this watch will stay looking new for virtually forever. Those of us with watch OCD will appreciate the fact that ceramic is almost as hard as diamond, hence there won't be a need to constantly polish. While the size can seem large on paper at 42mm in diameter, the sharp downturn of the lugs provides a comfortable fit for many sized wrists. And as always, we encourage you to stop by our Boston, Mass storefront, located on Newbury Street, or our beautiful store in Greenwich, Connecticut, to try on any of our collections. Overall, Hublot has brought together some highly attractive elements at an even more attractive price point. Coming in a range of ceramic colors, this fun take on the classic Big Bang checks off a lot of boxes for any collector with a fun side or love of ceramic cases. To shop this Hublot Big Bang Black Ceramic, please send us an email at sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com or give us a call at 617-267-9100. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.